Good afternoon, Robert Alpizar here with Agency 239 Real Estate Broker in beautiful Naples, Florida. Today I am super excited. If anybody knows me, they know how much I love contemporary and modern architecture. So we're here in Golden Gate Estates checking out this new construction home on 2.5 acres. It's 3 bedrooms plus a den, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. All right, here we go. All right, guys, here we are, Golden Gate Estates, new construction, modern contemporary build. I've spoken to the builder and they have some more coming up. This one's gonna be done in October of 2020. And we're starting from the street just so you can see how long of a driveway you have. So if you ever wanna have some get-togethers, some parties, you can fit so many cars out here. So coming up to the house, it's beautiful, nice white finish, double car garage. You're gonna have some landscaping, of course, which will be put in, but you also have these impact windows. So you have these beautiful picture windows as you walk up to the house, and then you have these incredible windows for the den. We'll get to that, but just look at the size of those windows. You have a flat roof, hurricane impact doors. All right, so as you come into one of the main living areas. You'll probably have your formal living and your formal dining. Off to the right, you have the den, just a room without a closet. However, you have these amazing windows to look out to your front yard. So obviously this property is in the finishing stages. It looks like they've sanded down the walls. Probably gonna put in the flooring next. All the recessed lighting is in. Okay, so off to the left here, you have 2-car garage, your electrical panel. Let's see what else we have going on in here. Looks like you're gonna have your washer and dryer in here, air conditioner, and then a door leading outside. And these ceilings, since you have the flat roof, you have these really high ceilings. I want to say about maybe 10 feet. 10 feet, you're gonna have 8-foot doors throughout the house, really nice. And just this, when you come in, you can see those picture windows. It's almost just like a full wall of glass. Beautiful. As you come over to this area, you're gonna have kitchen islands with the kitchen, the cabinets. You'll have this main living area, more like a family room, a gathering room where you could have your TV, some sofas. You have a split floor plan, so you have the master on this side, on the left. Then you have the 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on the right here, which we'll check out. You have one of the guest rooms, nice tall ceilings, nice size closet. Here you have guest bathroom, which will have a vanity, you have a toilet, and seems like a walk-in shower. And then here you have the other guest bedroom, nice size closet. And then you have these huge sliding glass doors overlooking the backyard. See if I can get a little peek. These are hurricane impact as well. I mean, really tough doors. All right, let's check out the rest of the house. So now on this side, you have the master bedroom. And I love the shape and the size of it. It's beautiful. You can either put your bed on this wall or on this wall, and then every morning you would wake up to beautiful view of your backyard. And you have these huge, again, hurricane impact, sliding glass doors, which just open up and just really let in all that light and the view. Coming in here, check this closet out. Look at this thing. Look how far back it goes. It's essentially the length of the master bedroom. So you have a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes. You're gonna love this master closet. Moving into the bathroom, have a nice long bathroom. You're gonna have a vanity on each side, separate vanities. Then you're gonna have a nice walk-in shower. You have a picture window there. And from here, since you're out in the States, you have these beautiful views. Just check that out. That would be your view, very private. Makes you feel like you're outside. Over here, you have a private bathroom. And now we're gonna check out probably my favorite part of this house. So coming out to the backyard, you have really nice pine trees. Out here in the States, that means that it's a nice high and dry lot. Meaning it's not wetlands. So when it rains, you won't have flooding, things like that. Really nice, tall, beautiful palm trees. On this side, you have an outdoor kitchen. Yep, an outdoor kitchen. And let me come closer over here so I could turn around and show you just how big this outdoor living area is. Look at that, the whole length of the house. So you can have some great parties back here. You definitely have room for a pool. And just overall, I'm so excited about this house. I love contemporary modern architecture, and this is just such a great floor plan. I love it. So here it is. That basically concludes the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give us a call. We'd love to help you with this. 239-537-1943. That's my direct number. Or you can find our information on our website, www.agency239.com. And again, thanks for hanging out for a bit, and hope you enjoyed. See you guys.